Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500-gram cake from Happy Family Fireworks called the Atomic. It's a 19-shot cake. Let's check out the performance. This is the performance. You can either pause the video or look in the video description down below. All the information on this cake will be there. Check this out. It is 19 shots and we got 3 angled, 5 vertical, then 3 angled, 5 vertical, and 3 angled for the finale. All right, so we got this cake over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. They got a lot of awesome products. Yeah, if you guys like this cake, remember, like this video and let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you guys.